What's up guys, my name is Mike. I'm one of the photographers here at Spicy Ice, and today I'm going to show you how to pick the right length chain for your look. Step one, if you don't have a tape measure handy, you can actually use dollar bills. They're about 6 inches long. So we're going to lay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out end to end just like that. Step two, you're going to find your length either with a phone cord, a piece of string, you can use some headphones. You're gonna go ahead and just unravel this, bring it around. Say you want it to set about right there. So you're gonna set that right there. Pinch the cord, bring it out. You're gonna lay it down next to the bills right there. So you can see we're about halfway into the 5th bill. So this is step 3. So you're gonna add that up. It looks like you're gonna be at about 26 to 28 inches for your chain. That's how you find out the length of your chain. Live the spicy life.